Hello students, I am Pardeep Kaushik, PGT English, Swami Vivekanand Saraswati Vidya Mandir, Saibabad. Today I will take English of 7th class, where now we are reading the poem The Rebel. It is written by DJ Enright. This is a very good poem. The mind map of the poem is there. The theme. First, the theme. The theme is the act of rebellion will always have different preferences. It means the students always have a different opinion about the system, but they should act according to the system, according to the laws. Value pack, what we learn from this poem, we should respect the views of others. Okay, the vocabulary we use, the vocabulary, the words, the difficult words which are used in this poem is rebel, someone who challenges somebody or authority. Fantastic means colorful. Praise means to admire, किसी की तारीफ करना. Sober, not funny, generally serious. Regret, to feel sorry what you did with somebody. Require, to need something. Okay, these are the difficult words which we see in this poem. Now the poem The Rebel. When everybody has short hair, the rebel lets his hair grow long. This is the first symptoms. When somebody has short hair, when everybody has short hair, rebel tries to have a long hair. When everybody has long hair, the rebel cuts his short hair. It means rebels does just opposite what others do. When everybody talks during the lesson, discuss the lesson, the rebels does not say a word. They remain silent. When nobody talks during the lesson, the rebel does opposite of it. The rebel creates a disturbance in the class. When everybody wears a uniform, the rebel dresses in fantastic clothes. It means he does not follow school rules. He does not respect others' views. He tries to challenge the authority. When everybody wears fantastic clothes, the rebel dresses soberly. The rebel does opposite to the authority, opposite to the class. In the company of dog lovers, the rebel expresses a preferences for cats. It means they do just opposite. In the company of cat lovers, rebel puts in a good word for dogs. When the people like to talk about cats, the rebel like to talk about dogs. He just do opposite what others do. Okay. Now the next page is when everybody is praising the sun, the rebel remarks on the need for rain. When everybody says the sun is very good, we need some hot from the nature. Now rebel talks about the need for rain. When everybody is greeting the rain, welcome the rain, the rebel greets the absence of sun. He just do opposite. When everybody goes to the meeting, rebel stays at home and reads a book. When everybody stays at home and reads a book, rebel goes to the meeting. He like to just opposite. When everybody says yes please, rebel says no thank you. When everybody says no thank you, rebel says yes please. It is very good that we have rebels in the society. You may not find it good to be one, but rebels are good when the authority behaves like dictatorship. But when the authority is like um, democracy, everybody has his opinion and has the right to opinion. There is not good anyone in the rebel. So we should uh, try to follow the rules of society. We should try to live with peace and harmony. That is what we get from this lesson. I hope you will understand this poem. Thank you very much.